Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We're going to show you how to remove the door panel, the front door panel on Ford Fusion. As you can see, this one is a 2012 model, but it will be the same from 09 all the way until 2012. And okay, this is the door panel we're removing on the left side, but it's the same for the right side as well. What you're going to need is a T20 socket like that, or just a bit, or a screwdriver T20, and you need to remove that bolt right here, that screw. Okay, so far we have one, and now on the bottom of the door panel we have one more right there, close to the corner, that we need to remove as well. And then there is one plastic lid that we need to open, okay, like that, and it stays there, don't try to pull it all the way. And with the same T20 we need to remove that screw. Okay, now you need to remove that cover with the screwdriver, and there is one bolt with a 7mm socket that you need to get, okay, just like that, and you need to remove it all the way because it will be holding the door panel. So just pull it out of there once we remove the door panel. We'll show you exactly where the clips are, so we can start them and apply pressure exactly where the clip is. That way you will not damage the door panel or crack the clips. Okay, you can see it's coming loose, and there is one more right here that's holding pretty good. Okay, you can see where that clip is. Okay, it popped open, and now you will need to remove the cover, okay, right here for the door latch. So you need to pull it out like that, and you need to unhook the wires by pressing down and pull, okay, just like that. And you need to get that end out first, pull, okay, and the whole thing comes out of there. And now what you need to do to release the cables, you need to push on those, okay, and pull at the same time. So those are pretty tight. Depending on what kind of options you have, you might have less cables. And this is the door panel, guys. That's how simple it is to remove it. Okay, right there. And now let us show you exactly where the clips are on the back, so you know what to expect. Okay, you can see one right there, two in the corner, there is two more on top, two right there, okay, one, that's the screw right there, and three on the side. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.